What's going on YouTube? 2003 Saturn fan and back. Another little quick video. So yesterday I was gonna go walking with some friends yesterday morning and crank my car up and the battery light came on. So I plugged my scan tool in. It's a Bosch OBD 1050 Bluetooth scanner. I took the survey, so I got everything unlocked. So I can get it here. That's the little scanner. It was $100, but I got everything unlocked on it. ABS, airbags, onboard diagnostics, everything. You had to pay for each individual car at $20 a car, or like $30 for the. I think you can either do $20 per car or $30 for all vehicles. Either way, I got it unlocked for free. The code it gave me was a P0162, which is a lamp generator something code. It has Code Connect and freeze frame data. So looking at the Code Connect, it said to replace the alternator. So I went to the junkyard and got a alternator off a 2007 Ion 2 sedan. Car had 119,000 miles. It was wrecked. I don't know if you guys see it, but I'll try and show you. So you can tell it's a used one because I bought it from LKQ and they marked it. So we're gonna do a quick mileage update. It's now got 130,213. Anyway, so that's what I did today. Actually very easy to take off. The alternator itself is held on by three either 13 or 14 millimeter bolts, but you gotta take loose the air box first, which ain't too bad. Unclip it and take out the one nut, and then it just slides out. But the alternator's held on by three 13 or 14 millimeter bolts, and then it's got, let me close the door, Dad's leaf on. Then it's got a 13 millimeter bolt on the side for the ground wire. And it's got one connector on it, which is, like I said, simple. It took less than 10 minutes to take off, but while we had that off, I decided to go ahead and replace the serpentine belt. So I did that. Excuse me, the notifications popping up. We went ahead and did that. They sell a tool at Harbor Freight, from what I found online, watching other people do their serpentine belts on their ions. This is about $20, but it's a fairly long piece of steel, and it's got 3/8 drive on it, for you can take and pull the tensioner up out of the way. We had a pipe wrench laying around, and we used that, and that worked fine. So we replaced the belt. Got a 3-year replacement belt. So anyway, let me get off here. I got company. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.